Hello, you are welcome to Maths with Uncle Tony, and in today's class we're looking at fraction. And under the fraction we're looking at ordering of fractions. Ordering of fraction is arrangement of fraction in ascending order or descending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order is from the smallest number or smallest fraction to the biggest number, while descending order or descending fraction is from the biggest number to the smallest number. So the first example says we should arrange these fractions in ascending order, which means from the smallest to the biggest. How will a child know which fraction is big or is the biggest? Now to do this, those denominators, this is 1, 2, 3, 2, 4 and 8. Child should pick those numbers, which is 2, 4 and 8. We use it to find the LCM, the common factors or common LCM, lowest common multiples among them, which we have start by 2, which is because 2 here is an even number. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. We have an even number as well. So we can still use 2. We bring down our 1. 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. So we have 2. 2 is also an even number. So we repeat our 2 here. Here becomes 1. Here becomes 1. 2 divided by 2 is also 1. So the lowest common multiples is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Those divisors, 2, 2, 2, they are there. So 2 multiplied by 2 will give us 4. And 4 multiplied by 2 will give us 8. So the common multiples among these three fractions is 8. 8. Okay. 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. The 4 that we got, we multiply by this. So 1 times 4 is 4. We keep it here because we got it from here. 8 divided by 4 will give us 2. We write our 2 here. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. We have 8 divided by 8 will give us 1. We multiply it by 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Remember the question says we should arrange it in ascending order. That is from the smallest to the biggest. Looking at this number that we have here, we have 4, we have 2, we have 1. The smallest number here is 1. This one came from where? 1 over 8. So 1 over 8 is the smallest among them. Followed by 2. 2 came from 1 over 4. Followed by 1 over 4. Then the last one is 4. This came from what? 1 over 2 in ascending order. In ascending order. In ascending order. So these are our fraction in ascending order. Let's quickly look at the second example on the board, where we have 5 over 6, 1 over 2, 8 over 9, 13 over 18, and 2 over 3. The first thing a child needs to do is to pick those denominators, or these denominators, and find their LCM. We have 6, we have 2, we have 9, we have 18, and we have 3. Now, looking at these numbers, there are even numbers. 6 is an even number, 2 is an even number, 18 is an even number. Whenever there's an even number in a number or in those numbers, you must use 2 to divide. So we use 2. 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. 9 is not an even number, so it cannot be divided by 2. We bring it down. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So we write our 9. 3 is not an even number, so we bring it down. So looking at it, we don't have an even number again. So 3 can be divided by 3, so we use 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Bring down this 1. 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. 9 divided by 3 will give us 3 as well. 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. We still have 3 here, which means it can still be divided by 3. We have 3, we bring down 1, 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. And 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. We bring down our 1. So our LCM, we say 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 3 will give us 6. And 6 multiplied by 3 will give us 18. So our answer is 18. So having obtained our LCM as 18, we draw a long line. Then we write our 18 that we obtain as our LCM. We draw our long line, then we write our 18 as our LCM. So we begin. 18 divided by 6 will give us 3. We write our 3 here. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. 18 divided by 2 is 9. We write our 9 here. 1 multiplied by 9 will give us 9. So we have 18 here again. 18 divided by 9 will give us 2. 8 times 2 will give us 16. 18 divided by 18 will give us 1. 13 times 1 will give us 13. 18 divided by 3 will give us 6. Will give us 6. Look at our 6 here. 2 multiplied by 6 will give us 12. So you look at it, this one came from here. This one came from this one. This one came from this here. This one came from here. And this one is for this. This question is talking about descending order. That means from the biggest number to the smallest number. So let's look at the biggest number among these answers. The biggest number here is 16. So it came from where? 8 over 9. The biggest fraction is 8 over 9. 8 over 9. After 16, followed by 15. 15 came from 5 over 6. So another next bigger number is 5 over 6. After 15, the next number is 13, which came from 13 over 18. 13 over 18. Now, after 13, we have the next number, which is 12, which came from 2 over 3. 2 over 3. Then let's look at the smallest number, which is 9. 9 came from 1 over 2. So the smallest fraction is 1 over 2. This is in what? In descending order. In descending order. So 8 over 9 is the biggest fraction, followed by this, followed by this, followed by that. This 1 over 2 is the smallest among them. I would like my viewers to try number 3 and send you your answer in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Maths with Uncle Tony. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye-bye.